Hello, my little darlings. Today we're going to be doing the ratio and proportion notes. We're starting a new chapter. The chapter is called Similarity. Um, so for warm up today, we're just going to reduce the following ratios slash fractions. So 16 divided by, or 16 over 24, if we reduce that, that's going to be 2/3. Remember, we have to find the greatest common factor. And in this case, 8 divides 16 2 times, 8 divides 24 3 times. And this is how these reduce. 48 marbles divided by 8 marbles, you reduce that, that's going to be 6. Or you can have 6 over 1, but then that simplifies to 6. 22 over 52, they can both be divided by 2. So that's going to be 11 over 26. So the greatest common factor is 2. 2 goes into 22 11 times. 2 goes into 52 26 times. This is just review from reducing fractions. 6 over 9, both of these can be divided by 3. So 3 goes into 6 2. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And you have 2/3. So today, we're going to have 2 target goals. And the first one is I can use ratios to solve real life problems. So trying to find the length and the width of a rectangle. So if you can go into construction maybe, or you're making a garden, a rectangular garden, you can use some of these problems to help you out with the building of the length and the width of a rectangle. So let's take a look at example 1. The perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is 60 centimeters. The ratio of AB to BC is 3:2. So here's AB and here's BC. So we know that AB is the length. And so we're going to have the length is 3L and it equals to twice the width. We also know that 2L plus 2W is your perimeter, which is 60. AB is the length, 3L. Okay, so 3L is equal to 2W. So now we're going to replace this 2W. We're going to replace it with that. So we're going to plug 3L instead of the 2W because 2W is equal to 3L. So we're going to have 2L plus 3L equals 60. We're going to add the 2L plus the 3L. That's 5L equals 60. Divide by 5 on both sides. So I'm going to divide this side by 5 and this side by 5 to get the length. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So the length is 12. And the width, well, we're going to plug it into this formula right here. So we're going to have, so we're going to plug in the length into that. So 2 times 12 plus 2W is equal to 60. So this is 24 plus 2W equals 60. We're going to subtract the 24 on both sides. So we're going to have 2W equals 60. Take away 24. If I do that, sorry, I'm having a little brain fart here. Okay, 36, sorry. And then you divide both sides by 2. So 2W divided by 2, 36 divided by 2. So the width is 18. So the width is 18 and the length is 12. Those are your 2 answers here. Example 2. Oh my goodness, it kind of ran out. Let me move the camera a little bit so you can see that. This is what I did over here. Okay, sorry about that. I'm barely learning how to make a video. I'm not a professional video maker. Um, if you guys feel like you could do a better job, then come and help me make videos after school. This is to help you guys do better in my math class. The measure of the angles in triangle JKL are in the extended ratio of 1 to 2 to 3. Find the measures of the angle. So then notice that this is triangle JKL. So this is J, whoops, let me use my pen, K, and L. So that means angle J is X, angle K is 2X, angle L is 3X. If we add up all the angles inside the triangle, they equal 180. So X plus 2X plus 3X is equal to 180. We're going to add all of these. That's 6X's. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more is 6, equals 180. Divide by 6 on both sides, so that's X equals 30. But that's just my angle measurement of angle J is 30. Measurement of angle K is 2 times 30, which is 60 degrees. And then the measurement of angle L is 3 times 30, which is 90. And so these are all your answers that you need, because it says find the measure of the angles. And there's 3 angles. Okay, so now we're going to do example 3 here. The ratios of the side lengths of triangle DEF to the corresponding side lengths of triangle ABC are 2 to 1. So that means that this triangle is twice as big as that, or this is half the size of that. So if we want to find all the measurements of AB, DF, and FE, and CB, then we just need to multiply by 2 or divide by 2. So this is congruent to this. These two are congruent. And then this, the hypotenuse is congruent to the hypotenuse over here. So if I want to go from DE to AB, so AB is equal to 8 divided by 2, because this is twice as big as that, so it's 4. So that's your answer for this. So we can come back and put 4 right there. Now, this side right here is congruent to this side. So DF is twice as big as this. So you're going to multiply 2 times 3, which is 6. So this side over here is 6. So if you were to divide 6 divided by 2, you get 3. Or if you multiply 3 times 2, you get 6. Here, 4 times 2 would give you 8, or 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. Now this is a special triangle. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. If you don't know how to get this side, if you didn't remember that was a 3, 4, 5, then you can use the Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Now I'm not going to do the work for this, but you can continue this and you would get 5. So if this side is, so then CB is 5, then FE or EF is twice as big as 5, so that would be 10. So we have found all the unknown lengths. So this one over here is 10.